Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Manoranjan Sahu. Today, I am going to solve the programming in Python assignment 9, week 9, January-April 2025, NPTEL SWAYAM, which last date is 6th April 2025. Guys, these are my credentials you can see here. Now, let's try to solve these questions. You can see here, this is the assignment 9, and here are near about 10 questions. So we'll try to attempt the 10 questions one by one. Let's start the first question here. The first question is asking about what is the main advantage of using functions in Python. Main advantage. The main advantage is code reusability and modularity. Is code reusability and modularity. Why code reusability and modularity? Because functions allows breaking codes into reusables. Functions allow breaking code into reusables, modular blocks, reducing redundancy, and improve maintainability. That's why the most appropriate functions, that is the main advantage of using the function is Python, is code reusability and modularity. Okay, so we choose option 1, option B. Now, moving to the question number 2. What will be the output of the following codes? Def degree return hello world. Okay, print. That is here option A, hello, world. Hello, world. The greet functions returns the strings. The greet function returns the string. That is, what is the strings here? The string is hello, world. Excellent. It is in the inverted comma, which is printed without quotes. That's why the answer will be option A, hello world. Now, moving to the question number 3. Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? That is def functions. That is def function. 3 option C. 3 option C, def function. Python use def functions, that is functions name, to declare functions. That's why here we choose def functions. Okay. Now moving to the question number 4. What will be the output of the following code? Def add a b equal to 5, return a plus b. It will be 8. 4 option C. It will be option 8. The default b equal to 5, add the provided a equal to 3. Okay, so resulting 3 plus 5, that will be 8. Very simple questions. Now let's move to question number 5. What is lambda function in Python? Lambda function in Python, a functions without a name. That is 5 option B. Lambda functions are anonymous. Remember, lambda functions are anonymous. That is, you can take an example here. Lambda x is to x into 2. Okay, so you can take an example. That's why a function without a name, that is called the lambda function in Python. 5 option B. Now moving to the question number 6. What will be the output of the following code? X equal to lambda a, b is to a into b. Print x 4 into 5. 4 and 5. So the result will be 4 into 5. It will be 20. 6 option A, that is called 20. So simply here the lambda multiplies the input. Lambda multiplies the input. That is 4 into 5. That will be 20. Now moving to the question number 7. What happens if a function is called with more arguments that defined in its function definitions? That is Python raise an error. That is 7 option B. Excess argument, because excess argument triggers a type error unless the *args is used. Okay, so excess argument trigger a type error. That's why Python raise an error. 7 option B. Now moving to the question number 8. What is the scope of a global variable in Python? The scope of a global variable in Python, that is throughout the program. 8 option B. Throughout the program. Global variables are accessible everywhere because it is global. Accessible everywhere unless shadowed by local. Okay, unless shadowed by local. So global variable access everywhere, that is throughout the program. 8 option B. Now moving to the question number 9. What will be the output of the following code? This is the code here, and if you say this is called 1, this is 2 and 3. This one, a 9 option A. 9 option A, 1, 2 and 3. Keyword arguments, because why you choose option A? Keyword arguments maps correctly regardless of order. Keywords argument map correctly regardless of order. That's why you choose option A, 1, 2, 3. Now moving to the question, that is last question. What will be the output of the following code? The output is, that is here 1, 2 and 3. 10 option B. 10 option B. So start ARGS packs positional argument into a tuple. Positional argument a tuple. That's why it will be, result will be 1, 2, 3. Guys, we successfully attempted all the questions. Now we are going to submit the answer. Please wait, the assignment is submitted, and you can see a message will come. Thank you for taking the assignment 9. Your answers are successfully submitted. There you attempted all the 10 questions with its explanations. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends so that the other people learn the solution of these answers. Okay, if you have any questions, any doubt, you can put your comments or question in my comment box. Okay, thank you for watching my video. All the best for your exam.